Great maintenance-free rancher with main level living. Front door with formal dining room just as you enter. Space is currently used as a den. Spacious kitchen with 42 inches alder cabinets and slab granite counters. Kitchen view 2. Open concept living area with access to the deck and views. French door lead to the front formal dining room, currently used as a den. Wonderful informal dining area with seating at the counter bar, and upgraded lighting. Main level living area with gas fireplace and wood floors. You'll enjoy the open concept living. Walk out to the deck with fantastic views. Trex deck with room to entertain and views. Yes, that is Garden of the Gods. You can see city views too. Main level powder room. Yes, there is main level laundry for full main level living. Spacious main level master bedroom with crown molding and attached bath. Master bedroom view 2 with attached bath. Master bathroom with granite counters and spacious dual head shower. Master bathroom view 2. Master shower. Finished basement with 9 ceilings and walkout. Great built-ins wall. Basement view 2 with walkout to beautiful, private backyard. Basement bedroom currently used as a sitting room. Basement bedroom, currently used as an office. Curtains are excluded.